Alright guys, so today we've got a C250 Coupe. It's a 2012, and it's got the steering lock issue. It's intermittent right now. They drove it in, so it's still unlocking. At the moment it's unlocking, but the customer said that occasionally it doesn't start, and that's because of the steering lock. So we're going to remove it, and we're just going to disconnect it. Because it's still functioning, we can leave it in the column safely in the unlocked position, and then I'm going to remove the ignition switch and key, get the ESL emulator programmed. First step is to disconnect the battery, and that's already done. We just unscrewed this screw. We're just going to tuck this cable away so it doesn't jump back up. What's next? Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is disconnect this cable from the ESL. We have to take off the kick panel first, and for that we're going to use a Torch C20. There's 1, 2, and 3. This is now going to have some slack. It will come down a bit, and now we're going to take off. We're taking off this red hood latch connector there. The screw is right in the corner here. See it there? Okay, and that's it. There's your screw. Okay, that's through. Okay, so next is the OBD2 connector. That's right here. You can see it on the inside. Just pull this down, and then I open up the bottom and just push it out. That's it. It's ready to go. Let's see what else is on here. That's it. This one doesn't have any lights connected. Sometimes you'll have a light or two. One goes here. There's a light that usually goes there, and there's sometimes a temperature sensor that goes here. Now the kick panel's off. Now we can reach our hand up here. We're going to stick our hand right up there. In between that little space there, this plastic thing moves. It gives a little bit of ways. I'm going to stick my hand up there, and I'm going to remove the connector. Up through here. There it is. There's a nice picture of the steering lock. That's the 13mm bolt. And there's the connector. You just got to reach your hand up there and pull it out. Find the connector. I just found it. My finger's on it. And I'm going to depress the pin and pull it out. It's out. Let's bring it all the way out. And that's all we need. This connector was in the factory lock. We're going to leave the factory lock in the steering column. And I'm going to go program the emulator. Plug the emulator in here. Zip tie this to this fat cable up here, and we're done. I'm going to put things back together, and the car's going to start up, and it's not going to fail again. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.